If you are a coach, consultant, and course creator or marketer, you want to sell information product with the help of workshop, challenge, or training, any training you are doing, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Sagar. I'm an internet marketer, and today I would like to share my recent experience with my challenge and workshop that helped me not just to make money but also create a transformation and impact within short period of time. Okay, so let's get started. So recently, I just completed my 8th Facebook Live challenge. I'll be talking about why I did it and why this Facebook Live challenge is so important for me and for my audience. That is something I would like to share with you. The first thing that the first step out of 5 steps, the first step I would like to share that is you must be action taker and doer first, whatever you are sharing. My mentor says that it is not about just learn and teach. First learn, then you practice, then you then see the results, then go and share with your students, with your audience. A lot of the people, they do this mistake that they just learn and they just teach. That is, I don't see any authenticity of that particular training, because that person has just learned from somebody else and then charging money for it, or even giving. So that person is not authentic when it comes to the topic. Okay, so that's why you have to do it first. Whatever topic you're teaching, you must have experience to it, or you must have little bit experience the people you're teaching. Okay, otherwise people will judge you very fast. So you have to have the action taker and doer first. That's the first step. Second is congruence with the backstory. Now Facebook Live challenge, why that's what something I would like to share. That I started my journey back in 2020, and that point of time I was stuck with building my visibility in the market, and that's how I discovered Facebook Live, and that helped me a lot to get a visibility and building my presence in the market. Okay, now when somebody see that they're struggling, then I recommend that, hey, if you want to get the fast traction or the visibility, then you have to show up to the market. Now, how we can show up better? Content creation by writing is good, but when it comes to instant hook and you grab the attention very fast, I believe you will save a lot of time just taking this one step by going video marketing. Now, out of video marketing, there is a YouTube, there is Instagram out there, but what they need the audience. Okay, but Facebook has something that with help of organic traffic, literally you can get instant traffic to your Facebook uh, live. And that Facebook live, literally Facebook is promoting a lot when it comes to live, more than any other format of video. That's why like I congruent with this topic with my backstory, that helped me a lot. Now I wanted to help the people who are at exact the same point I was at 2020. So I have a very congruence with my backstory. So whatever topic you're teaching, if you are not congruent with your backstory, maybe there is no purpose behind it, then your topic might not interest the audience. Because I could share my journey that, okay, I did 365-day challenge after that. That 365-day challenge itself, a lot of inspiration for the new people, that how is it possible to go live for 365 days back to back without missing a single day. That is something uh, inspire a lot of people to take action. Okay, and there are a lot of things out there. Cool. The second thing, as I mentioned, you have to have a congruence with your backstory. That's how you will be passionate to help them. Okay, because I see myself, my old version of Sagar, lot in the market after 2 years, and I want to really help them. That is my true, like, which inspire me to do like back to back Facebook Live challenge, because that is, apart from any other topic, I resonate with this most, because this give me a lot of struggle that put up time, but that actually boost me to give massive visibility in the market. Okay, the third thing, when it comes to your workshop, your challenge, first context is important than your content. So a lot of people just create a massive, like, lot of slides. Okay, they wanted to just give a lot of information. Nobody want your gyan. Literally, that is something I want to share, that people don't want more gyan. Already they have a lot of gyan in the market. You can search whatever you are sharing. Definitely few things that you are sharing through your experience, but when it comes to delivering the things, content is not much important than that context. So what is this context thing? This context is also differ from in the different contexts. So here, when it comes to sharing something, first use how you set the environment right so that people will listen to you. Okay, so in that you said why you should stick to the end, why you stick to the day number 5. Okay, you have to make them believe that these things work. So here you are going to talk about your vehicle story. Maybe you can talk about something that help others or you to get results. So they have a believe, okay, this vehicle really works. So let me get into it. If you just go and talk about blah 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 blah, then they will say, okay, it's okay. The same thing he'll be sharing. They will not attend live. They will not actually take that seriously. So when you set the context right, they will like. Recently what I did, I say that if you will not take action, you will be get removed from the group. Yes, I did that. So similarly, that actually you have to create the right context before you share about the content. You got the point. So talk in context, you can talk about why it is important, why you should stay till the end, and all those things that you set the context for. Okay. Now, step number 4 is now it is time to get into the core content thing. Now, when it comes to core content, there is a lot of people do this mistake that they just go on talking about theories, all those things. Okay. How you can make it more engaging when you are going to create, try to like do some kind of commitment, small commitment from the audience. What do you, hey, type yes in the chat box if you believe it, type clear in the chat box. So that's how I do it. Let's suppose I'm sharing 5 points today. So I'll be saying, okay, the first point, type 1C. If you're clear about the first 1C, then say yes, 1C, 1C, 1C. So what's happening here when it comes to I'm doing a Zoom session, I'm bringing some small commitment. Now, these small commitments will add up to the end. And the last, when you ask a bigger commitment like the money, that's where people will try to this person is really keep engaging us. And when you ask us, yes, 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 and the last you wanted to ask, the conversion will be more. You got my point, what exactly I'm talking about? Yes. So core content, you have to engage them by asking small commitments and breaking their old pattern. Let's suppose they have an old belief that they cannot do this. So you have to break the internal beliefs, like the doubt system they have. Maybe they say, I'm not tech savvy. I'm not, everything is good, Sagar, but I think I'm not able to do it. A lot of people ask me, Sagar, it's good. I can invest. I wanted to do it, but I don't know whether I can complete it or not. I said that that's why I have a 3 level of accountability system. Once you join my community, you'll get 3 level of system that you will not ever miss. You'll get mail, you'll get message from my side, my team, you'll get like tagged in the group. So how you will like not do when you have a 3-4 type of accountability system is there. So that's how uh, like you actually make them commitment. Okay. So so that's how you have actually make them believe that, okay, you further what are the internal belief system they have, maybe you can remove it. And throughout this challenge or workshop, you have to make them do something. Like, let's suppose you can give one task to do it. Okay, one mini task to do it for that will take 5 minutes to 7 minutes. So what will happen? You are coaching them there for free or maybe just a small ticket. That will make them believe that if this person can teach me something, so many things in this short span of time, this person is going to really help me a lot if I join his paid program. So that in the you can say the perceived value will be very high when you ask money. So that is more important. Cool. Also, you can ask them to reward, like if you're taking action, what reward you will get. So how you can create a reward system by giving a books, I give something, or give some free things, some free goodies. So that will help them to like stick to the end. Also, they wanted to take action. Okay, so that's how you will do it. And the fifth step, which is the CTA. Now, when it comes to CTA, let just people, what they do is they don't give much information about that, how it will help in uh, the for to grow their business. They say, okay, this is the offer, this is the price. Now, when it comes to explaining all the things, all the bonuses you are giving, you have to make them believe that each and every bonus and offer you are putting in, that is going to help their core problem. If it is not going to match that, that they will not actually take the action. Then you give the action and they will take so this recently I would like to share something happened. One person bought and they are so happy, and she shared with the three friends. Out of three friends, now as of now, two-person already bought. Now this is how the impact it creates. It is not just limited to that particular person. It is like that impact transfer to outside of that group also. So that is something you need to work on for these 5 steps. If you are if you found this video valuable, please type which one you like most. If you want to share your notes, share your notes in the comment below. I love to see. And also talk about, if you know something, I would love to learn from you also. I'm not the one who only the expert over here. I would love to learn from you. If you are a coach, consultant, or marketer, you wanted to give any top uh, feedback, or maybe anything that you wanted to add, feel free to put in the comment box. I'd love to see you. And also do not forget to check out my community, my free community. You can go and join my Facebook group. I'll be sharing a few resources, so then you can learn and grow your online business. Thank you so much. Also, let me know in the comment box which topic you want me to cover in the future, so that I will listen to your topic and I will create a video on that. Thank you so much for listening to me with a patience. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.